What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today's video is going to be pretty short and sweet. I'm going to be showing you how you can test your instrument cluster display on your BMW. Now then, if you have an instrument cluster display that looks something a little like this, you'll know that you have various dials and various lights that are illuminated once the ignition is switched on. And I just want to show you how you can test to see that all of those are working as they should. Now then, first thing you want to do is put the key into the ignition, turn the ignition on, and then you want to hold down the trip odometer button, which is this button here, until you are greeted with that menu just there. And then what you want to do when you get to this menu is hold down the button again for 2 seconds, let go, and then go to KI test, which is Kombi instrument test. And then you want to press it again. And as you can see, the test is being carried out. All of the dials and the lights are being tested right now. And so again, if you want to test it, once you get to KI test, so Kombi instrument test, you just press the trip odometer button and it will carry out the test just like that. And while it is carrying out the test, it's a good idea to check to see if any of the lights are not being illuminated. Now I can see there is one just in the middle there. It is a symbol of a car. Now I don't know if mine isn't working or if it's just the case of it not being active for my model. So obviously I have a 520D and maybe that symbol is not applicable to my model. I'm gonna have to do some research to find out that, but we can see that there is one that doesn't illuminate. So we'll do the test again. As you can see, that one in the middle, which is a symbol of a car, just doesn't seem to illuminate. So I'll have to check to see if that's applicable to my model or not. But real quick though, to test your instrument cluster again, so key in, ignition on, hold down the trip odometer button, until you're at that menu, and then hold it down again for 2 seconds until you're at that menu, press it once, KI test, Kombi instrument test, press it once, and there you go. Okay then guys, so I hope this video has been somewhat helpful. I think this is a good little useful test that you can do. It's good to do it every once in a while just to make sure everything is working as it should, and especially before you take your car in for an MOT or an inspection, because obviously if one or more of the lights do not illuminate as they should, then your car will actually fail the test. So it's a good idea to keep on top of things, you know, just keep checking it periodically. And yeah, just another nice little feature that BMW has integrated into the secret menu. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, so please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, because I've got so many more BMW videos on the way, and I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace.